Hello, Miller Mustangs. I hope you enjoyed your three-day weekend. Here is this week's Mustang Message. First, I'd like to welcome our new full-time outreach mentor, Miss Jessica. She is going to be with us Monday through Friday, serving our students. I am super excited to have her be a part of the Miller family. If you see her, please welcome her to the team. We have LPAC testing quickly approaching. During the week of February 18th, we will be testing 3rd, 4th, and 6th grades. Make sure you have those designated supports to cost tomorrow morning, February 11th, as soon as possible so that they can be considered for LPAC. Designated supports do not need to be outlined in the IEP, so just make sure you send those names over so that we can have them on our cost agenda. We have spent a lot of time on learning progressions. This past week we revised the RL5 learning progression, and all of those revisions will be posted in room 1 for a review on Thursday at our staff meeting. We're going to take pictures of all of the learning progressions and create a shared Google Drive for people to review, and you can print out as you are teaching that standard. And just know that those learning progressions, until we get through all of them, will be a normal part of PLC time. After school curriculum development, I do have money set aside to pay you. If you want to meet as a grade level after school, please discuss a day and a time with your grade level and let me know so that we could review the agenda. All right, some reminders. We are quickly approaching the end of trimester 2. The assessment calendar was linked into last week's email. Additional assessment bins were sent out to each grade level so that you can start working on FMP levels. Make sure that you are the one that is administering the FNP level running records. We do not want those done by support staff. And then at-risk parent-teacher conferences are the first week of March. If you are having those, make sure you let the office know so that we can plan accordingly. On Thursday, Melissa Dutra will be visiting the school. She's going to visit classrooms and talk to students. We are just going to show her where we are. On Thursday, February 13th, we are going to begin with the staff meeting and then break apart for our PLC time. At the staff meeting, we are going to do a last review of the LPAC and reveal the finalized schedule. We're going to make sure that all of the proctors have non-testing affidavits, and then at your PLC, we want to make sure everybody's on the same page for the unassisted writing sample. And then please don't forget that every grade level has a $2,000 budget to purchase STEAM supplies. That needs to be done by the end of the year. Please submit a plan by the end of March. And then our shout out, a very heartfelt thank you to Miss Burgess for her dedication to Miller students over the past 11 years. You've made such an impact, and we are all very sad to see you go. Thank you to Miss Outland for organizing the celebration on Friday for Miss Burgess. And again, thank you to Miss Outland for subbing as administration while we had grade level PLD last week. Thank you to Miss Mercer for bringing Circuit to the 5th and 6th grade students as a play last Thursday. Thank you to Miss Henry and Miss Taylor for helping on Friday during a sub shortage. Thank you to Miss Demission, Miss Short, Miss Wilcock, Miss Syed, Miss Maravia, Miss Wood, Miss Perez, and Mr. Aranda for helping us finally pass fire inspection last week. Thank you to Miss Taylor for supporting 5th grade during ELD on Tuesday. Thank you to Mr. Vargas and Miss Jessica for covering the crosswalk in the morning, and to all staff for giving input on how to improve afternoon dismissal. All right, that wraps it up. Thank you for igniting a love of learning that empowers each other to effect positive change in the world. Have a great week.